Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I thought it'd be a good idea to go over like the Russell Reconstitution. So this is important for people that have IWM or Russell 2000 related ETFs. So for example, IWMW and IWMY. I think you folks should maybe pay attention just in case, because the underlying stocks will change. So two important dates to note: May 24th, which is the preliminary list. That's probably only a few days away, and then June 28th is when they should be finalizing, like after the market close. This is when the indices themselves will change, and then also the corresponding ETFs will have to kind of like shuffle their stock holdings to reflect any additions and deletions. So some of the IWM related ETFs, they're already having a rough time. Looks the small caps haven't really caught up to like the big caps, just because like they don't have like the same level of I guess like the AI related like craze, and they generally don't have like the same amount of like the like any like meme stocks. So it there could be like an even rougher time in the next few months. So just to let people know, but I guess like the good thing about like the option based ETFs, they might be able to capitalize on slightly more volatility, but we'll just have to keep an eye on that. So for example, like this is like the current top 10 within the regular IWM ETF. So there could be like some big changes. Like for example, I think at some point maybe SMCI and MSTR might be too big, or depending on like how they want to change like the holdings. This is just my guess. Like especially if Bitcoin like skyrockets, like MSTR might leave the IWM just because it's too big. But the good thing is like for YieldMax, you have two other things. You have MSTY and YBit to maybe like take advantage. If indeed, maybe like your current IWM ETF, like you might not like the holdings inside, like in the on May 28th. So I guess like when you keep track, see if there's like stuff that you might like for example, if you had your eye on SMCI, but then it starts leaving, then you have to kind of make adjustments. And then there's just like the index, like the partial history of the index, just based on the website. And of course, it's linked in the description below, so feel free to check it out in your own time. So according to this, like from last year, like the largest market weighted company was 4.2 billion, and then the smallest one was 100, almost 160 million. So that's quite a big difference. And then generally, it looks like it grows over time, but then if there's like some like economic shock or like recession, whatever, it could go down too. So just be aware of that. I think like the most important date is actually May 28th, because that's when we start getting like the preliminary list. Then this is kind of like when you can start making your like a shopping list. I'm gonna look for trading opportunities. Like for example, if there's like something interesting, like I might want to buy like any additions, and then like maybe short any potential subtractions. So just as a general reminder, please stay on top of your investments and your hedges. And if you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like, and all subscribers are welcome. Of course, super thanks are greatly appreciated. So thank you for watching. I hope people make some good money out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.